A very sweet good morning to all students. Myself Seema Sharma and I am your English teacher. Students, this is your glitter book and we have read our chapter number 5 of our glitter book. The chapter name is Three Friends. Chapter number 5 and the chapter name is Three Friends. Here is a story of three friends. Who were these three friends? One was Nanu. Nanu is a boy and Ellie is an elephant, and Manu is a small monkey. Can you see here a small monkey? Manu is a small monkey. We have done reading and we have done new words also, and now we will do exercise part. In this we will see where does Nanu live, who was Ellie, and where was monkey sitting, Manu. Okay, now we will complete our exercise in the book. Okay students, now we will start the exercise. Here first is tick the correct option. Here three options are given. We have to read the sentence and we will read the options and then we will tick on the right option. First is where does Nanu live? Where does Nanu live? You have seen in the chapter. In a village? No. Town? No. Nanu lives in a forest. So we will put here tick mark. Okay. Now Ellie is dash. What is Ellie? Ellie is a monkey? No. Elephant? Yes. Ellie is an elephant. We will put here tick mark and we will write here also. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Is it a rabbit? No. So we will put cross. Nanu and Ellie have one more friend. His name is, what is his name? Manu, Tanu or Ilu. So what is his name? Manu. This is the right option. We will put here tick mark and we will write here also Manu, M capital, because it is a name. So we have to write first letter capital, M-A-N-U, Manu. Okay, now B part student, fill in the blanks. We have to fill these blanks with the help of these words. So first sentence is Nanu rides on Ellie's back. See here, you can see Nanu is sitting on Ellie's back. So we will write here back. First one is B-A-C-K, back here. B-A-C-K, back. Next is Nanu climbs a dash. Where does Nanu climbs? Nanu climbs a tree. Here you can see Nanu is climbing on the tree. So second fill up is tree and we will write here T-R-E-E, tree. The third one is the small dash is sad. Who is sad? Monkey. The small monkey is sad. Why he was sad? Because he was not able to come down because he is very small. And the next one is Ellie tells dash to help the monkey. Whom does Ellie tells to help? Nanu. Here the third one was this and the fourth is Ellie tells Nanu. Here again we will write first letter capital because Nanu is a name of a boy. Nanu is a name, that's why we have written here first letter capital. Now all these four fill-ups we will read once again. Nanu rides on Ellie's back. Nanu climbs a tree. The small monkey is sad. Ellie tells Nanu to help the monkey. Okay, next is Ellie and Nanu have fun. Pick a sentence that tells you this. Here you can see this. They play with water and in this way they have fun. Next is Ellie cannot climb the tree because. Why he cannot climb on the tree? First option is he is big, second is he has no legs, third is he has no hands. So first option is right, he is big, so he cannot climb the tree. So we will put here tick mark. Next are question answer that we will do in the next video. Now we will do this part of page number 45 and part number B. Here use of am, is, can or can't. First is, you can see a picture. What is this? What picture is this? This is a picture of a duck. So I, what we use with I am. I am a duck. My name is. My name is Snowy. I can swim. Here we will write can. Now, next option which is left, can't. I can't run fast. So we will write here CAN apostrophe S or can't. I can't run fast. So you have to fill this also. Okay, beta, you have to do this one. This is your homework. You will do this yourself. Okay.